And hello there again, friends and folks. This is Mixer Wars, and welcome to an episode of Mixer Wars Unboxings. And right now, what I have here is booster packs for the Gundam card game, GD03 Soul Requiem. And yes, fortunately, this is an English release. And based on this cover, I think most of the Gundams here would be from the Double O series. So let's take a look and crack open the pack one by one. So this is the Gundam card game booster pack GD03 English version, still Requiem. Alright, so just so you know, I don't know which one is the hit card and what are the hit cards here, and can open tricks, but hey, there we go. So we have here a Isaac, which I think it's from. Hmm, I forgot which one. I think it's C. Spanish, which is from the UC. Oh, Gundam Chimera's Trooper, which is from the Iron Blooded Orphans. Jamil Meat from Gundam X, the original pilot of Gundam X. GX Beat, which is, I think, from. What anime was that? I forgot. Gundam Barbarous Fit Form Ground Type. Alright. CGS Mobile Worker Commander Type. And there's Org. Bolek Cement, UC unit. High Gold, another UC unit here. Brennan Wiseman. Alright. G Bouncer from Gundam Age. Oh, some oil. And Vertigo. I think this is a UC unit. And a resource. Wow. Flag resource. So that's what I have for this pack here. I don't know which is the hit. Off to the second pack. Okay, so a command, and this is Flay and Kira from Gundam Seed. Valiant, I think from a UC. Zigok E, again a UC unit. Veteran Tactics, Sergei Smirnov, Double O. How many miles to the battlefield? Gabriel Ramirez Garcia. Zion. Yeah, I don't remember this guy. Messer Type FO2 from Hathaway's Flash. Nyan from G-Quax. Christina Kenzie. Earth Federation. I forgot who this girl is. But it's from UC. Brennan Weisman again. Nicole Shadow. Oh, Gundam X Divider. Nice. And the Red Gundam. Wow. And of course, a resource. I'm thinking this is the hit in it. I don't know. Okay, so that's what I have for the second pack. Opening up the third pack is again the GX Beat. I forgot which anime that is again. Barbatos, Fifth Form, Dean, Rangan Seed, Zaku, or I Sneak, G-Quax. Right. Cyclops Team, I think this is still a UC. Rebo Colony, this is definitely UC. Dual Gundam Assault Shroud, nice. From Gundam Seed, over the fleet, Hardy Stinger, someone from UC. Tarubi, from Iron Blooded Orphans. Orbital 6 form. Alright. Orbital. Okay, I held the curiosity. Bridge crew. Oh, double O bridge crew. Command. And of course a resource. So that's what we have for our third pack. So I just noticed that I think in GD03 is where they introduced the fifth color, which is purple. Originally there was just four. Red, green, blue, white. But with the release of Still Requiem, I think there's a fourth color, which is the purple. Off to my fourth pack here. Oh, Orga's Order, yes. How many miles? Mikhail Kaminsky, someone from UC. Gabe, again from UC. G Defensor. How does mechanic? So Gundam Wing, Active Approach, Command, Mortar Closer or Pocket Closer from Double O, Palace Athene, AUC units, Gundam Sunrack Custom, alright, from Wing. Z Gundam, Biosensor, uh-huh. And lastly, Raul Crusette, oh, Gundam Z. And a resource, oh, this time it's extra as a resource instead of the flags that we were getting earlier. And off to my last pack, my fifth one. We have the first, a UC unit, I guess. Kaninsky, Gundam Heavy Arms Custom from Gundam Wing. Gundam Kimars Trooper, Cyclops Team, Masella, Dual Gundam Assault Shroud, Charlie Steinier, Charubi, Gundam Barber the Sixth Form, Blaze Commander Type, and G Fred. Huh, nice. Oh, and an EX base. So packs would contain either, the resource slot, or the part where there's a resource in the card packs. It might be a resource or an EX base, maybe also an EX resource. All right, so there you have it, again, offensive folks. That was what's inside the spy booster packs that I got from Gundam card game GD03's English version, still Requiem. And I just realized I have 139 plus 20 card types. So, yeah, I'm thinking if you get more of these, you might be able to make your own Gundam card game deck. And there you have it, again, offensive folks. This is Mixer saying, if you're new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing the video, sharing the videos, commenting. And until next time, see you and thank you.